नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss hallucinogens. Hallucinogens, also known as psychedelics. So, psychedelic substances or hallucinogens, they affect higher function of the mind and they alter perception and mood of the patient, of the user, and affect numerous cognitive processes, but the individual knows that what he is experiencing is not real. Although these substances alters the perception, but the individual is well aware of the situation that what he is experiencing is not real. Person is alert and oriented but experiences different perceptual and sensational abnormalities. Sensory perception and thought processes are grossly distorted and mood is altered. So the patient is well aware of the neighboring situation, he is alert, he is oriented, but the experiences are different. He experiences different perceptual and sensational abnormalities. He perceives hallucinations, sensory perceptions, and thought processes are very much affected. Reality of space, reality of time, reality of bodily dimension is distorted, and there is a feeling of depersonalization that makes the patient feel separated from the situation. Along with this, the person may experience euphoria or dysphoria and can be emotionally labile, but usually realizes that he is under the influence of a drug. Although the person is under the effect of the drug, he experiences euphoria. He is emotionally not stable, but he knows that he is under the effect, under the effect of, under the influence of a drug. Some of the hallucinogens are LSD, cannabis, mescaline, dimethyl, tryptamine, DMT, or psilocybin from mushroom. LSD, lysergic acid diethylamide. LSD is colorless, tasteless, odorless, and it is a semi-synthetic compound. Lysergic acid portion of it is natural product of the ergot fungus Claviceps purpurea. It is a very powerful antagonist of serotonin and can also mimic its action. Signs and symptoms. Under the influence of LSD, the patient or the person goes into a trip. This trip is felt usually after half to 1 hour, peaking after 2 to 6 hours and fading after 12 hours. This trip can be bad or it can be good, but it depends on the circumstances and mood of the user. It also produces dry mouth, sweating, and dilatation of pupil. Affecting the heart, it produces tachycardia and hypertension. There is extreme mood change, visual hallucinations, alteration in time perception. There is altered change in vision and hearing, as there are hallucinations that may be related to vision or hearing, and he feels like he is floating. He has illusions. So he has sensation of synesthesia or seeing smell and hearing colors. This is a very important one, very different, that he sees smells and he hears colors. Tolerance develops in 2 to 3 days with daily dosing. Its side effects are depression, panic attack, schizophrenic episodes, and psychosis. User become violent and may attack others or hurt himself. This feeling of being able to fly, and under this feeling user can jump out of window. Depersonalization, chronic dread, depression, mood swing, and paranoid attitudes and beliefs may also be found. Flashback symptom. Under the effect of LSD, the person experiences the recurrence of the emotional and psychological aspect of the previous LSD trip. In this flashback symptom, the patient experiences that there is a recurrence or repetition of the emotional and psychological aspect which he felt in previous LSD trip. It occurs most frequently with abuse of psychotomimettics such as LSD, STP, tryptamines, mescaline, and psilocybin. These delayed recurring symptoms may lead to eccentric behavior, suicide, or even homicide. Fatal dose of LSD is about 14 mg. Low, in its treatment, low dose of anti-anxiety drugs and benzodiazepine are useful. Prolonged talking, known as talking the person down, which may extend up to 12 to 18 hours, and psychotherapy. Its long-term use develops psychological dependence and tolerance, and its withdrawal can cause depression and sometimes suicide. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.